Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. So guys, on the gold market we mostly just could wait and see what really will happen, because all setups already have been formed. As I said in today's video in the forex market, as you can see, that activity has really dropped recently significantly. So as you can see, market mostly stands in a small range. There's really no big shifts on the markets. Maybe, as I said, tomorrow when we will get retail sales, as usually it could impact on market, and the producer price index also could make some impact, and maybe we will get some direction tomorrow. But at the same time, this direction probably should come soon, since market right now stands in an important level, and depending on what will happen here will show us what to expect next. All setups already have been formed. We already have taken the position based on this setup. That's why all that we could do right now is just wait what will happen. So on the daily chart, it's nothing really has changed significantly. As you can see, market still stubbornly stand at 1260 area, and depending on what we'll get today and tomorrow, we will see whether market will continue dropping and this butterfly will start to work, and the chance on the further upward continuation will start to melt. But right now they are still here, and market really could continue move higher. Maybe market could form here in minor butterfly, for example. If you will measure this extension, you will see this 1618 stands precisely at the same 1618 as big one. So for that purpose, market just need to hold above this top. It should not drop below these lows. What we have on the forward time frame chart? On the forward time frame chart, you can see first bounce very well. So right now market stands under retracement. So here we should get the clarity which pattern will take the win. So either this ABCD, and in this case this will become just a minor retracement after the completion of the 100% extension, since this pattern also has the chance to be continued, since you can see the CD leg is much faster than AB. Usually when the market takes the acceleration here, usually very often leads to further downward action. Besides, guys, it seems that here we have some kind of the harmonic swing. It's very looks like it's very similar to this one, not just slightly lower, slightly smaller upward action. Anyway, the one thing that why we are still keep in mind a possible bullish reversal here is just very strong support area. If we would have, for example, just a single minor fib level, I would say that, guys, probably we should be ready for 1618 extension to 1240. But existing of the confidence support, existing of the monthly pivot point, and existing of the bullish momentum here and here makes me think that chances on the upward continuation here is still possible. So that's why I'm not too hurry with starting to take the short, and with the thinking about the probable further drop and a big retracement on the gold market. Big retracement definitely should happen in the nearest months. I think that 2-3 months we will get the big reversal on the gold market. It will not mean that we will get the global shift of the trend. Not at all. So we will not return back to the long-term bearish trend, and we will not start to think about the 1000, even 80, 100 levels. Not. But I am speaking on this big trend. So this will become the first upward leg, and under the big reversal and the big retracement, I understand only the deep retracement that here could happen. For example, to the 1150 area, 1180 somewhere. So the deep retracement. But this will be the normal part of the long-term trend, and after that we will get the further continuation. That's what we are thinking about. And right now we should be ready for this possible reversal, and I think that it should happen in the 2-3 months. Probably it will happen. So but right now As market shown the first response here, existing of this strong trend and the bullish momentum keeps chance on the possible further action. This is the next target. That's why in the nearest sessions we will be watching for what pattern will prevail after either the strong support will be possible will hold the market from the further drop and will be able to reverse market again to the upside, or this drop will become stronger and market will break this level and will continue to move lower. It's very important. But currently market, as I said, stands stubbornly here at 1260, and it keeps chance on the further possible upward continuation. On the hourly chart, guys, as you can see, our double repo pattern has been completed. So it has reached the almost 618 resistance. So the minimum requirement target is the 50%, and it has been tested. So right now market stands in the minor bounce, and right now we have to estimate whether this downward continuation to the 1618 or that was just minor retracement before further upward continuation. So as I said, we already have the position based on the double repo. Here you could think maybe you could take the half of your profit, or at least some part of the profit of the position here, and keep the rest. Don't forget to move the stops to the break even and just watch what will happen. So if market is really bullish, it probably will turn to forming of some kind of the butterfly, as I said. So this will be probably some kind of the butterfly here, but for that purpose market needs to hold above these lows. So if this will happen, that will keep the chance on the further upward continuation. If market will break these lows, it will mean that market will break also the confidence support on the 4-hour time frame chart, and that will significantly increase the chance of the further drop on the gold market. The chances will become significantly less on the continuation of the bull trend. So guys, just keep watching what will happen. Probably it is too early to take the shorts yet, but some longs you probably could hold, especially if you have the break-even stop. If you would like to take the long position, this will carry significantly greater risk compared to this entry point, because here you will have to take the position on some support of this most recent move up. So this will be probably 618 support, the first level that you could watch for. But in this case, you will have to place stop below these lows. So this will not become the riskless trade absolutely for you. But still, if you think about the taking the long, maybe market will form this butterfly. This is probably the only way where you could take the long position currently. So that's some kind of the deep retracement, 618 support. This is also consolidation, as you can see. This will be additional support. Somewhere in area around 1260, 1265 is probably will also give you the relatively tight stop. That will be maybe not bad idea for taking the long if you would like. But as I said, this will still carry some risk for you, and the probability of loss will exist. That's probably all that I could say right now on the gold market. As been said, shortly speaking, chance on the further upward continuation still exists until market holds above the 1255 lows.